Wagwan, wagwan. It's a Canadian style. Yeah, man, we're left on the road here, you know. And early rising. I'm have things to go do. So, that's what I say. Just on the road here, head home here now. Walk, walk. Yeah, man, the place full of snow. Let me show you how I look like. I don't know if you can see me underneath that. Yeah, man. What's up? What's the man? How's life home, you know? Yeah, boy. Right now, my hand are free. Never have gloves, but the wind a blow. It blow hard towards me, you know. Yeah, man. Let's show you a little bit of the early rising. You see what people have to get up and go and walk, eh? Yeah, man, I'm going to do what I'm going to do. Yeah. Get up to go help my wife. And, you know, she drive a bus, so. A school bus. Go help her take off one thing and make sure that she's alright and go up on her way. You know me, I walk back home. That's what it takes, you know? You do what you have to do at times. Alright. So take it easy. Lift up yourself. Make sure you put on 2 long john before you go out. Yeah, man, I know so no warm on the day, I know. Alright, peace out. Later.
I want to say a special shout out. Yes, man. One special shout out. It's a blessing. Deloy, big up yourself, moment. Give thanks to the strength. One love. Every time. This is yard. Really hard life. Stick around.
Love yard, you know. This Christmas, a whole heap of sorrel. Sorrel, enough man. Shout out to all of the Georgie patrons. Yeah, man. All the people them from Georgie community. We're up and about and I do the right thing. Yeah, man. Keep it up. One love, one heart. This is yard. Really hard life, you know. Yes, man. Big lady I step out of the bush there. Show her face, you know. Big up yourself, mommy. Yeah, man, gungo rice and peas. Nice something, you know, man. Trust me. When you have so much gungo going on for you. Woo! Belly turn up. Yeah, man. What you do there? Yeah, man, we never short of food yet. Our food in our country, no. Trust me. Countryside blessing, huh? Yeah, man, look on the view. Magnificent. Still not reach the destination yet. Get in there. Yeah, man. That's a steep part of the deal, you know? See if we can take it on. Yo, so it push up, you know? Man. Hey, Mr. Dahlia. And normal. This is prepare for got champ spot here, man. Back then. Yo. Remember, man, when you have to do all couple round of this, trust me, I know nothing now, man. I tell you. Yeah. Alright, now I go up in the bush. See if I can cut grass or something. Get in there. Whew. Yeah, man. See destination there. Right there. But guess what? You know what I go to say about? I'm tired. I need a day to take it on. Yo, this is the view, man. Nice. Whoa. Love yard, you know. No place like home, you know. It's a blessing. Believe in yourself. Believe in your dreams. Work hard. Make them manifest. Yes, man. Whole heap of obstacles along the way, you know. Yeah, man, as a Jamaican youth, I can tell you. The pressure is rough. You see it, but if you hold strong, get up, get about, and do the right thing, trust me, it will work out. Yeah, man. And we all know that anytime you get up and get about, you always have to remember the Most High. Me ever open about, yeah, man. What I say? Some of my classmates are we have 2 batch, yeah, man. So the second batch, them will finish up for them exam today. Yes, man. So I just pass through, come look on and see it, because my thing done already. So you know the energy go. Everybody there excited, up and about, you see me? Doing the right thing. Yeah, man. And then get them test papers, so you know. Yo, everybody up, man. Just happy. See you boss there. Yeah, man, yeah, there. Come and show you all around. Show you what I'm going. Come here, little bro. But yeah, I know. Yeah, man, everybody I look on them paper, you know. Yeah, man, proud of the hard work them put in. Progress. Yeah, man, it's a blessed day. Yo. Yeah, man, Andre the DJ, you know. It's a blessing, you know. Yeah, man. The man ever up and about and do the right thing. Yeah, man. So time to come here and see who the DJ be, is it? Yeah, man. But for now, the general is a shell school. It's a blessing, man. Ah, bro. Solid. Proper. Sick. Proper. I want to country nice and pretty, man. Country pretty, yo. Watch. Yo. Is there everything alright?
Yeah, man.
If phone not function so proper, you know, bro.
Angelo, what you doing?
Oh.
You want already?
Yeah. Open up boat, you know. Yeah, man. Always I do the right thing. It's a blessing. You know, funny enough, I have a brethren from school days, so we're a long time in the sea, you know. Yeah, man. I know the energy go positive, man. Energy, positive. Yeah, like, I'm there, bro. You know it go on. Blessings, man, homie. Yeah. Yeah. You know, I be me I go but through, me have to stop a class run and say, see?
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, this driving thing.
Yeah, man. You know, see it for YouTube, bro.
No see it, man.
Yeah, man, me have a channel going, man.
Have a channel
Blessings,
going?
you know, blessings, you know, big dada. I'm there, man.
Pull it up
Yeah, man, same school, for sure. Yeah, man, proper, bro.
No, look up on the channel, right?
At the end of every rainbow, there is a pot of gold. Trust me. Feel like today I'm my day, you know. Yes, man. I feel like I find the gold. Let's take a look at this. This is hard. Really hard life. Get up, get about, and do the right thing. And remember, walk with the Most High every time. One love. Yo! There, you know. Robert Library High School. Yes, man. And honestly, I feel a little raindrops. I'm look up and I see all of this. I tell them I feel so pleased, so happy to be in the countryside. Trust me. No place like home, man. Stick around. A lot more coming. Your direction. All in due time. Yard life. Yeah, man. I'm there with family. Real family. You know the energy go? This is yard. Really hard life. Yeah, man. And Ian's record up on the block.
Yeah, man, up move,
Yeah,
man. I don't know a thing.
Time
about
to come here
Ian's
soon,
record.
know what going on.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Jamaican life.
Really
Up
hard
full.
life. Solid. Crime free Christmas this Christmas. Yeah, man, I'm a big guy. The item. Walk good. Walk safe. One love every time. Daddy. Yeah, man.
Merry Christmas to Jamaica, yard life.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Joke then pass through upon it black, you know. They are sharp. Yeah, man. Now a little bit, my brother.